Indonesian woman freed 2 years after ki11ing of Kim Jong Nam. Miami Herald. March 11, 2019 0-22 a.m. An Indonesian woman held for 2 years on suspicion of killing North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's half-brother was freed from custody Monday after Malaysian prosecutors unexpectedly dropped the murder charge against her. Siti Aisyah cried and hugged her Vietnamese co-defendant, Dong Thi Huang, before leaving the courtroom and being ushered away in an embassy car. She told reporters, the two young women were accused of smearing VX nerve agent on Kim Jong-nam's face in an airport terminal in Kuala Lumpur on February 13, 2017. They have said they get 6 months of free digital access to the Miami Herald. The High Court judge discharged Aisyah without an acquittal after prosecutors applied to drop the murder charge against her. They did not give any. The trial will resume Thursday, with prosecutors expected to reply to a request by Huang's lawyers asking the government to similarly withdraw the charges against her. Indonesia's government said its continual high-level lobbying resulted in Aisyah's release. The foreign ministry, it said Aisyah, a migrant worker, believed that she was part of a reality TV show and never had any intention of killing Kim. The ministry said that over the past 2 years, Aisyah's plight was raised in every. Aisyah's release comes just a month before Indonesia's general election and is seen as a boost to President Joko Widodo, who is seeking re-election. Aisyah thanked Widodo and his government for helping secure her release. Officials said wearing a red headscarf and a black flowery traditional dress, Aisyah was composed during the news conference. She said that she was. Prosecutor Iskandar Ahmed said that the discharge not amounting to acquittal means Aisyah can be recharged if there is fresh evidence, but that there are no such plans for now. Meanwhile, Huang said she was shocked by the development. Huang's lawyer His Yamte Po Taik said Huang felt Aisyah's discharge was unfair to her as the judge last year had found sufficient evidence to continue the murder trial against them. A High Court judge last August had found there was enough evidence to infer Aisyah, Huang, and the 4 missing North Koreans had engaged in a well. Lawyers for the women have previously said that they were pawns in a political assassination with clear links to the North Korean embassy in Kuala Lumpur, and that the prosecution failed to show the women had any intention to kill. Intent to kill. Malaysian officials have never officially accused North Korea and have made it clear they don't want the trial politicized. Kim was the eldest son in the current generation of North Korea's ruling family. He had been living March 11, 2019 0-10 a.m. For Baghdad, sense of hope, respite after years-long war against Islamic State group. Get 6 months of free digital access to the Miami Herald. Real-time updates and all local stories you want right in the palm of your hand.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up.